Hey Kyenan, so you're our mechanic here. What's been going on with this build?
Yeah, so today we've just been wrapping up our 4495 for one of our customers. So it's got 300 stretch in it from the 4495 package. It has our Brown and Davies mid tank and our normal Brown and Davies tank that comes with the 4495. We've put the torque exhaust on today. It also has our new Alpha shocks. Just the manual ones. So we just finished bleeding up the hydro booster today, if you want to come have a look at it. So this is our hydro booster we have fitted. We've also fitted the fuel separator, the pre-filter, and one of our catch cans as well. So now we're just up to fitting the tray, sorry. So I'll drop the tray down and she'll be done, ready to go off to our customer.